Hello children, myself Jyoti Kiran Ratan, your art and craft teacher. I tell you paper craft work. Today paper flower I will tell you. First you do practice with newspaper, then start with colored paper. So let's watch. Children, you require colored paper for flower, but first you do practice with newspaper, colored paper, glue, this type of stick your requirement. First you fold your paper like this and make a strip. Cut a strip like this. First when you make a strip, then first fold triangle like this. Triangle come corner and corner is single lines. Just again see fold line from corner, again fold back side, just fold back side of the strips, back side of the strip, make triangle and fold like this, back side of the strip, and open the triangle. You can see the square is open. Now again this is a without any scale, make a square. Now we fold again and again, same size we need. You need rose flower, you can be fold it. You see we have fold the strip in this type, and so many square pieces I have. This is the extra piece cut from the sheet. Okay, now square paper is ready for the flower. Now cut the square like this. This square I have 4 fold. You can be take so many fold, those you can be cut, you can be take. Now I am making a circle. First, for easiest way, have a paper on there and take any type of circle and have here and make a line of circle. Okay, draw a circle on this square. Now we are folding here like this, again like this, and again like this. This is a open side, this is a open side, and this is a closed. This is the center of flower, this is a open side of the flower. Now this is a circle. You can see the line of the circle, you can see the line of circle. I cut it from slightly side. Now my flower is ready to use. Flower, this type of flower, 8 petal. This is a 8 petal. If you have separate, we want to lose, then we can be cut both sides. Just 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3 cut here, and open again, cut here, 1/3 and 1/3. This cut is clear. Now use glue. You take stick, any stick you can be used. This is a bamboo stick, but you can be use your coconut stick in your home, and take a petal of flower and just hold it. Before this we need some using glue here on stick and covered by cotton, and again use glue and do this. Again hold here, just hold here and your flower is ready. Just push. Yes, and open. This flower is complete. Okay, this flower is complete. Now we are making second flower. Just fold like this, same pattern folding. This one, again this one, this, again make triangle. This is the center of flower. This side close, and this is the open side, outer side of the flower, and draw a triangle. Just draw from triangle this side, this side. This type of triangle you can be draw. You can see the triangle. This is a triangle. Just rectangle. We are saying rectangle, making triangle, and cut it. And cut it. Now open. This type of triangle flower is ready. You can be made by sunflower. If you are using yellow color, then you can be made by this sunflower. Again we take a stick, taking some cotton, and use glue on a stick. Use glue on a stick like this, and cover. Again we are using, make a small bird. If you can be used for this also, bud, earbud also you can be used for this one. Small flower stick, if you don't have any sticks, then you can be used earbud also. If you have, it's not compulsory, but easily stick, any stick you don't have, then you can be use झाड़ू stick of your home. आपके घर में झाड़ू की जो स्टिक होगी उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. This is a flower is, triangle flower is ready, and our now two types of flowers, circle and triangle flower, is ready for use. You can be used anywhere, in flower pot or on your copy, in your file, anything you can be decorate by this flower. Thank you. Send me your work with your picture in your hand, and mention your name and class section also. Thank you.